about you guys, blah, blah, blah. Stop. We the simple, knock, 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 knock. I don't give a. After turning still rock， 从来不会打败。太多人想看我出丑，那么你就当面来。两张嘴在人前背后早要左右夹击。感谢飞过，除了屏蔽能让我松一口气。可下一秒呼吸，发现这里空气不干净。妈妈说人善被人欺，我始终不相信。直到今天为止，发现妈妈你说的机器。斑驳的老墙为我刷上油漆。他说，只有胜利者才配写历史 ，loser 只能。
How's guys? How are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another video. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's get straight into it. Just give me 1 second. It's been quite a bit of a morning, but yeah, I'm looking at quite a few setups today, guys. Yesterday's setup was brilliant, guys. Yesterday's setup for Litecoin. Have a look at that. Hit TP and bounced perfectly. What a good setup. I was actually, to be honest with you guys, I was expecting this to actually break this low. To be completely honest with you, I was expecting price to break the low, but we actually got quite a nice reaction, which is a little bit surprising. So personally, Litecoin looking really, really strong. Like compared to Bitcoin, guys, Litecoin, have a look at that daily. It's looking really bullish, right? So this was a great setup that we took yesterday. If you guys didn't miss this trade, it was a 5% move on a 20x. That's 100%. So we did say a 10x, but now, guys, if you look at Litecoin, I'm actually expecting a breakout. To be fair, I'm expecting a breakout, and why I'm expecting that is because we're getting this bottom wick over here, so we can definitely see maybe a potential break back up to these highs. That would be really good. That would be really good for Litecoin. I'm expecting a bit of a push back up to this level right over here. Okay. So, but that's Litecoin. That's a separate issue. Honestly, because if we look at the 4-hour, it kind of, it's still holding, right? It is still holding this level. Bang. It is still holding this level. So, honestly, looks kind of good. Looks kind of good. I actually need to add. I do need to add a little bit here. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome, guys. We go live every single day. We go live on CoinW and YouTube. But I think it's better if you guys come on YouTube. You guys can comment here a lot easier. Okay. Let's get straight into it. So if you guys are new, let me know how my TRB trade yesterday also banged. Yeah. TRB. I was actually looking at that trade this morning. Let's have a look at TRB. That was a good call. That was a good call by yourself there. Let's have a look at TRB. I've got too many coins here. Like I need to actually get a lot more organized, to be fair. TRB. Let's have a look here. Yeah, 56. We even tapped a low. Oh, yeah. So your entry, so remember we spoke about this. We spoke about this trade yesterday for yourself. You enter around about 60.4 or something. Yeah, I mean you're already up around about 7%. It even came down almost 11%. What a trade! Honestly, what a trade. Thanks for yesterday's call. Yeah, no worries. Thanks so much for being here, Asheville. Asheville, nice to see you. I've got a lot of setups that I want to go over today, guys. There's a lot of coins that I'm looking at, and yeah, make sure you guys stay until the end because it's going to be interesting to see what we can get. It is the London session open, so we need to speak about Bitcoin. So what I would suggest for you, Mario, is I would suggest if you could, if you just move your stop loss to break even, or if you took profits, that's fine. But yeah, I mean, I would probably take some profit at this point. 52 is definitely the level that we'll probably see. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Thanks so much for joining. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin. What is happening with Bitcoin? Bitcoin not looking good. We've been saying this for the last couple of days for Bitcoin, guys. And I've been holding back. To be fair, I've been holding back in the long positions. I've been telling you, like my whole thesis, guys, is Bitcoin's going to come down, guys, and people just getting wrecked. People just want to keep longing there. It's just not the way to go. I honestly think just taking shorts in this type of market is the way to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to reanalyze Bitcoin from we're going to took some profit, we stop loss, break even. That's amazing. This is, guys, this is the stuff that you need to learn, right? If you're taking trades, even my trades that I post, if I have a TP that I set for Litecoin, okay, Litecoin hit TP perfectly, but sometimes it doesn't always hit TP. So you should always, like, if you're in profit, you should always move your stop loss to break even, or, you know, secure something out of that trade. Like if you 50% profit, just secure something, right? So this was Mario obviously knows what's up. So yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. So Bitcoin, guys, we're gonna look at Bitcoin on the higher time frame, right? And we're gonna go down to the lower. And guys, I want to show you guys something really important. Something really important here. So remember, guys, we're gonna reanalyze this from the higher time frame. So we got the weekly time frame, bang. So 49K. So this is gonna be your low, right? So this is gonna be your low in the market. Okay, so we're gonna analyze this top to bottom. Yeah, I know. The thing is, wise words. I should start. Yeah, I know. The thing is, it is harder. To be honest with you, it is harder. Like doing it. Like I know it's easier said than done, right? Like I say, like to people, you know, just move stop loss to break even, take some profits. But in your back of the mind, you always want that 100%. You always want that 50%. You know, but I promise you, in the long run, just doing that, you'll start to see some good gains. So yeah, just always manage. Sorry, always just try and get into the habit. Exactly. The greed is crazy in trading, guys. Let me just turn the lights on. That's a little bit better. The greed is crazy in crypto and also just trading in general. But it is wise words. I know it's easier said than done. Definitely. Yeah, Mario says it keeps you away from losing and you need to beat your greed. 100%. Yeah, that's true. Okay, so guys, we're going to reanalyze Bitcoin here on the higher time frame. We're going to change this to 21 moving average. We are below the 21 moving average, which is not good, right? So the weekly time frame, what can we see? We are still, guys, trading in this little downtrend, right? So basically, we are still making lower highs, right? This is not good. This is not good, guys. We have confirmed a new lower high in the market, and a new lower low could come down a lot lower here, guys. I close my trade when I see different profit. I learned hard lessons. Exactly, yeah. I think we've all learned that lesson. Like, I mean, you know what the worst thing is, right? You're in a trade, you're in profit, and then it ends up like going against you and then hitting stop loss. I think that's the worst. So it's always good to to secure profits. So yeah, that's good. Learning lessons. I mean, that's trading, right? You can never be profitable in the first like month or two. Okay, so first things first, guys. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Weekly candle. I mean, it's not looking good, right? We are still trading below this level here, right? So this level, we're gonna make this white just so it looks a little bit nicer. So this is your 21-day moving average, right? Whenever we above the 21-day moving average, we tend to be in a bullish run, right? But whenever we're below, we tend to come down, right? So we need to start closing back above the 61K level. Okay. We need to start closing back above 61K for Bitcoin. And on the weekly time frame, it just doesn't look like we will, right? We have weekly support. We're gonna have to highlight this. Okay, we're gonna have to highlight this. We're gonna say over here, weekly support. So this is going to be your weekly support. Okay, so we're going from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. Just to understand, just to show you guys how to actually analyze the market. Like you can use this type of analysis on multiple different time frames, but rather start with the higher time frame. So first things first, we have our low in the market, which was this ETF high over here, right? So this was the ETF. Okay, so this was I'm just going to explain to you ETF high. Okay, so this was the ETF high over here, and then we had a massive move there. So you can see we pretty much came straight back to this ETF level, and if we look at the weekly support, if we break, guys, if we break below this weekly support, we're most probably going to come back and we're gonna fill this wick over here. So what I'm expecting is if we can close bearish this week, right? So if we close bearish below 55,600, below 55,600 on the week, we probably fill the wick. Okay, so what does that mean? We have this liquidity grab over here and we actually close bullish, but I do think that if we can close below this level on this week, guys, honestly, I think that we're going to see price come back down and fill this 49K level. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Of course, we'll see what happens, but on the higher time frames, not looking good for Bitcoin, guys. Not looking good for Bitcoin right now. So we look at the weekly, still bearish, right? So we bearish on the weekly. We are bearish on the weekly. Look at the daily time frame. What's happening in the daily? Bang. So the daily tapped into this weekly support. So over here, we know that this is a strong level for Bitcoin. We know that even over here, it's also a strong level. And right now, we are currently retesting that zone. But what's also important to note is that if you look at the current range, so if you just forget about everything in the past, if you forget about all of this to the left, if you just look at the current range right now, we closed below, right? So we closed, so this is, so we haven't closed below yet, but we are currently trading below the daily support. Okay, so trading below daily. So I'm just going from a higher time frame to lower time frame analysis here, guys, so you guys can understand what we're looking at for the day. So we have a few levels to look at here. So basically, if you even look left here, right? If you bring this to the left, this level is so strong, guys. 57,188. I mean, you can say 57,200. Let's just call it 57,200. You can see that if we can close below here, I do think that we're gonna come down lower, guys. I do think we're going to come down lower. The daily time frame is showing us quite a lot of bearish signals here, to be fair. So let's see what happens. So, but remember, this is your weekly support, right? And it's also your daily support if you look left, right? So we can actually, what we can do now is we can say, okay, this weekly support is also our daily support. Okay, so our weekly and our daily are on the same. This is daily support. This is also daily support. So now, basically, what's happening is Bitcoin is looking like it's going to trade in a new range, right? So this is looking like Bitcoin wants to start trading in this new range. Okay, so what does that mean? What does that mean? It means that Bitcoin right now, there's a possibility of us coming back down to test this level, but there is also a possibility that this candle right now can flip bullish, right? The reason why I say that is because we are tapping into a weekly support. Weekly support is very, very strong. So do not ignore that. Do not ignore that. So we are bouncing, right? We are bouncing from the weekly support as well. So weekly, daily support, very, very critical. Very, very critical. So now we can go. We've got all our levels in the chart. We can go. We know that the market's bearish, right? Forming lower lows and lower highs. Been bearish for a long time. But we needed to close. If we can close below here, if we can close below this level right over here at 55,600, if we can close below there tomorrow on the daily candle, we're going to see quite a big drop, guys. I think we're going to come back down and test this low. So we will see what happens. But let's see. So right now we are currently in a range. Let's see the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, bang! I'm loving this. I'm loving this. 4-hour time frame. We actually can make this a little bit lower here. There we go. So now if we have a look left here, we are starting to trade below the 4-hour lows here. Whenever we retest this, we come back down to the like these levels here, right? If we have a look left, same thing over here. Whenever this is a strong level, guys, it's a very, very strong level. Very, very strong level. So as long as we stay below this level here, I do think that we're going to come down. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. 45K, yeah, it could be. I've actually got another analysis I want to show you guys for Bitcoin. It basically it corresponds to what I'm saying now. But if we look at the 1 hour, looking like we do want to come down as well. The 30 minutes, we are still respecting these levels, guys. So what I'm going to be looking at is right now is if we have a look at the fib from the low to the high, I've already got my level. Bang, guys. We're going to be taking shorts today. We're going to be taking shorts today. We're going to be taking shorts from this level back down to the weekly support and the daily support. Bang, stop loss is going to be just above these highs. This is going to be the trade for the day. Okay, this is going to be the trade for the day. If Bitcoin can come back up to this level today, which I do think it's possible, I'm going to take some sells because right now we've spoken about it. We've got 4 hour levels closing below. We want to fill this wick eventually today. We've got the daily support actually trading back below the range. There's a lot of things that are happening right now that is putting me in the direction of a bearish close. Okay, but right now, do we take a trade? No, we look at other setups. So Bitcoin possibly going to come down today. I will send the signal. I don't think we'll get it in this live stream. I do think that this will only happen a little bit later on, maybe New York session. But yeah, it's going to be interesting today, guys. I think it's going to be very interesting today. Okay, so Bitcoin, that's about that. Let's have a look, because now what we want to do is we want to check for some signals, right? We want to see for some trades. So we're going to come here. Okay, check it out. Ton got absolutely smoked yesterday because of that glitch. Not got wrecked. Chainlink, everything. We spoke about these dumps, guys, and it's quite nice to see it play out. Okay, so what are we going to look at? Let's have a look at the coins that haven't really dumped as much. I want to have a look at Bitcoin Cash. I want to have a look at AVAX, definitely AVAX. I want to have a look at Dogecoin. Let me just write that down. Or you guys can remind me. And if you guys have any charts you want me to go over, let me know. Someone says, Llama, hey Dylan, you think there will be trades during the live? Can't be online during work. Unfortunately, it would be great if everything. Yeah, well, if you can't join the live, I will post in the Telegram. So don't worry. There might be some trades we can take during the live. Nothing's guaranteed. Ton USDT, Ton got smacked. There was that massive glitch yesterday, guys. There was a massive glitch on coin. We were actually live and we were, check it this. This was crazy. Ton price glitch. Bearish sentiment, that's why. So Ton briefly showing 94% drop, guys. Ton showed a 94% drop on the market yesterday, and also England and some other coin, I can't remember. But it was quite hectic. And then you could just see everyone was like, what's happening? And then they just started selling. So it was a bit of a chaos yesterday. Yesterday was chaos on the market. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday it just wasn't. But we caught some beautiful trades yesterday. Okay, so let's have a look. We're gonna go over what was it? It was AVAX. AVAX. And if you guys are watching on YouTube, put some charts in, put some levels you guys want me to go over. Sorry, not levels. Put some coins you want me to go over in the description. Let me know what you guys are wanting to watch or what you guys are looking at. So let's have a look. Bitcoin, we are most probably going to get the short today. You know what's also interesting is we do have a fair value gap over here for Bitcoin. Within this zone over here, we might even come up a little bit higher. So we'll monitor that for later. But right now, it's just not interested. AVAX, let's have a look at AVAX first up. AVAX, bang. Okay. I mean, look at this chart, guys. AVAX. I don't know. Is it just me or Okay, we got Floki, Popcat, and Soul and Whiff. Perfect. We'll go over those. Yeah, just keep them coming, guys. Keep them coming. We because the thing is, the more you guys give me, the more chances we're gonna get for a trade, right? To be fair, like the majority of the time, someone gives me like a chart, there is a potential for a trade. So AVAX right now, not much happening. We currently know. Let me just do the analysis quickly. This will be quick. Bang. So there's the levels there. We have support roundabout over here. We are currently trading below this level. We are still in this downtrend. You can see trading lower lows, lower highs. The daily time frame starting to look like it's recovering a little bit. We have 4-hour support over here, 21.3. We have quite a big range to fill if we can break below that point. The 1-hour time frame looking like can't do much, to be fair. Yeah, so for me today, probably just gonna wait for. I mean, it's like a double bottom, I guess. It's hard for me to take longs in this market, guys. Honestly, like, yeah, let's have a look at Whiff. Yeah, let's have a look at Whiff after this because I'm looking for for a bounce. Okay, AVAX kind of not really want to look at AVAX. Let's have a look at your coins, guys. Let's have a look at WIF because I saw WIF wanted to pump. So actually, I remember last week I took a short for WIF. Yeah, so this was my trade for WIF last week. I ended up taking some profits at these lows. Because I mean, I'm not gonna. Let me just remove everything here. I posted this last week, and I'm out of this trade. But to be honest with you, to be fair, like it still looks kind of bearish. We broke below such key levels. We broke below such key levels here. You can see that whenever we retest this level over here, this trend line, have a look here, guys. It's very, very strong. To be completely honest with you, it's a very, very strong trend line. But I agree with you guys. I do agree with you. We are starting to form, because you see right now, we were starting to form these lower lows, but now we're starting to form a lower high. I mean, a higher high, which is starting to put me a little bit in the general direction of maybe this can bounce. But remember, the market is bearish, and we do need to acknowledge that. We do have, okay, look at this. This is quite a good level. 4-hour levels there, bang. 4-hour is showing me that this is your resistance. We need to close above this level for longs. We need to close above here. Okay, so we need to close above here for longs. But right now, I just don't see it, guys. I mean, I do think that we can maybe get a push up here, but it's just not looking good. Yeah, I want to see a break above this level here, guys. Then what I would probably look at is a long back up to these highs. Maybe we can get this today, but that's all I can really see. We can't take a long at the current price because we're trading below resistance, right? So if we take a long right now, we could, we don't have much range, right? So we don't have much range if we take a long now. Because if we take a long right now and it comes up to like 1.55, then fine. But like, I mean, what is that? Like, it's like a 1% move compared to this trade that we could take. Obviously, our entry would be worse off, but there would be more confirmation. Like I said, guys, it just, I don't know, it doesn't look great. We might even see a short from this level today. Something if we retest this level, we come back down. So, I'll be looking at a potential short or long over here. I want to see how these candles play out for the day. But yeah, I don't see a long right now. We do need to see some type of retest of this high. Then we can start looking for a short, or we can maybe look for a long a little bit later on. So we'll keep that in mind. I'll put an alert for width right over here, so we'll get notified. Okay, so that's width. Not really interested in that. What other ones you guys are saying? So width is boosting up. Link. Let's have a look at Floki. A few people looking at Floki. Floki. Bang. Okay, so Floki looking terrible here. What's happening on the 30? Okay, let's have a look at Floki. Okay, I'm gonna quickly just remove everything. Yo, everything is just so bad, guys. This market, like, honestly, like starting small. Nvidia was dumping some yesterday, so today is still 1 foot and 1 foot out because more stocks could be dumping. I'm buying and starting small, buy little by little. Yeah, is that for spot, right? Yeah, I saw Nvidia. Let's actually have a look. It got rejected. Oh, down 9%. Holy shit. Oh my god. Yeah, look at that. Nvidia closing back below the 21-day moving average, guys. This is not good. Yeah, we're probably going to see Nvidia come back down to like 96, or potentially. So you can see this 200-day moving average. If this can come up here and correlate with this, we could see it back down here, and this is where we can maybe long. But yeah, I think we might see a bit more down. I mean, this is not looking good for Nvidia. Okay, but that's a good point. Thanks for saying that. It's a good point. It's a good point. It's a good point. Okay, so let's look at Floki. We're back on Floki here. You know, I can't say too much here. It's just bearish. You know, we have strong levels right over here. Okay, we're still trading below the 200-day. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour, I can see a trend line already on the lower time frames. Yeah, look at this, guys. We're gonna have a sick trade today for Floki. Guys, we're gonna have a sick trade today for Floki, guys. Oh, guys. Okay. It's the DXY that gave the push up. The dollar wants to get out of depression quick, out of the yearly low. Yeah, no, we'll go over the dollar as well. That's a good point. Guys, look at this. Floki could dump really, really hard today, guys. Ooh. Yeah, I'm looking at this. At least back down to this wick here. Okay. But other than that, we could see a bounce. So let's see. 32 minutes, guys. 32 minutes. If we can close below here, we're going to take some sells. Stop loss is going to be just above this wick over here. We're still trading below the 21-day moving average. I don't know. Looking good. Looking great. We went over TRB in the beginning, guys. We did go over TRB in the beginning. It still looks bearish. I'll go over it again as well. But yeah, Floki, guys. Floki looking beautiful. I'm going to put an alert here. Yeah, this is looking clean. This is looking so clean. Okay, so Floki looks good. We're going to definitely take that today if we can get that. What else? Someone asked Popcat. No, it's fine. We'll go over TRB again. No worries. We'll go over TRB. Someone asked for SWE, Popcat, Solana. Yeah, let's have a look at Solana. And then I'll go over SWE. Solana, guys. I think Solana is going to dump. Okay, bang. Do you guys remember, like, how annoying is this? But I think last when was this? We took sells for Solana. Look at we took sells for Solana over here, right? We took sells at 157. We took profit 150, and check where it's at now. Like, that's crazy. I mean, if we just hold that, but that's trading, right? Would have, could have, should have, would have. You know, it's always you can't live life like that. But let's have a look at Solana on the daily time frame, guys. Daily support, we came down. We are still holding daily support, which is good, to be fair. But guys, we have retested this level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times. So we've retested this level 11 times. I don't know, guys. Like Solana, if Solana can break this 126 level, honestly, we're looking for terrible prices here. You know, we could see an $80 Solana, we could see a $100 Solana. But like, look how clean this is, guys. If Solana can break below this level, I'm taking a huge sell. You don't understand. I'm taking a huge sell back down to these levels because there's a lot of things, right? We have such clean range, right? We have this whole range over here, from here to here, is so clean. We are most probably going to fill all these wicks over here. So I'm looking for sells, guys, for Solana. I don't know, like I'm quite a bear. Like, I've been a bear for the last couple of weeks. A lot of people just are bullish, but I mean, there's just nothing really giving me that indication. So the daily time frame, guys, we need to start closing below this level here. If we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, still below that level. Let's have a look at this, from this low to this high. Okay, so what I'm going to maybe potentially do for today, look for a short at this level here. You know, we could get quite a good entry here, back down to $100. I don't want to say that, but yeah, possibly. Like, genuinely, guys, $80 for Solana. Like, I could see it. You know why though? Solana. Have a look at this, guys. There's just no interest in the Solana anymore at the moment. Why isn't okay, it's not, for some reason it's not loading. But guys, this is the lowest Solana's been in terms of like people actively trying to trade it, and the volumes and everyone getting in. So I think Solana's, I don't know, I think Solana's due for quite a big flush out, because like, look at the lower time frames, guys. It's looking so weak. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking for a short here, guys. Back, yeah, bang. Solana shorts. We're gonna put an alert here. Bang, 131 to 132. Looking for Solana shorts. Looking for Solana short. It's a September discount period as a result from last month's Japanese market crash. The trend is still up and bullish, but they need to make new lows and get monthly spreads. Exactly. That's, yeah. You know exactly what you're saying, brother. You definitely know exactly what you're saying. I mean, we've been speaking about the September, right? We've been speaking about this constantly on this channel, right? We're gonna see probably a bearish month, guys, and then October, November. You know, when Donald Trump, let's hope, if Donald Trump wins the election, guys, 62 days until Donald Trump wins the election. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So basically looking for a sell for Solana as well. So we've got all our limit, our stuff in. We've got everything in for Solana. What else? We've got Floki, potential setup, Floki, and it's actually holding, which is good. Look at that flip. That's a good flip. Maybe a bit later on we can get some sells if we can break this level. But right now, I'm not really interested in taking longs off this level. Not really interested in taking longs off this level. I think that there's a lot of indecision right now for Floki. I do need to see like a break above here if I want to go long. So we need to see like a break above here if I want to go long. But yeah, right now I'm just looking at shorts. Okay, so what else do we have? We've got SWE. I don't know when I drew this. TP1, TP2. I don't know when this was. Yeah, look at this. Okay, let's check. Everything is so bearish, guys. Not bearish, but like everything's so down. Bang. Let's have a look. We've got strong levels over here. Okay, beautiful. I love how that connects. We are still like, guys, in order for us to be bullish, like actually bullish, we need to start closing back above 200-day moving averages. So even if you look at Bitcoin, if you look at any coin, every single coin is below the 200-day moving average, right? We need to start seeing a push above the 200-day, right? So like you have to be realistic with how you're trading, right? Everything has to, if we're trading below, we bearish. If we're trading above, we are bullish. So I'm just checking on CoinW if there's any questions. I'm not too sure if people are watching on there because it wasn't working earlier, which is why okay, never mind. It's all good. Yeah, so basically for SWE, let's have a look at the daily. So the daily, we are still respecting daily support. We look at the 4-hour time frame. It's still trading below. That just doesn't look good. Everything just, you can see that this is like a double top almost from this level. Yeah, we're probably going to see this happen, right? Where we can bank something over here. Okay, so we could see a bounce from this level right over here. Yeah, this is clean. Probably looking at from this low here to here. Okay, so I'm potentially looking at potential sell-off here, but we'll see. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour time frame is not really giving much. The market structure. Yeah, I mean, I'll probably just wait for a break. It's just SWE is not that clean. I don't know. It's not that clean. This is just kind of just ranging, right? It's from here to here. It's just not really interested. I don't want to be taking sells in mid range. I'd rather wait for like a break. Yeah. So I mean, I don't know. Personally, SWE just not really interested. If we look at let's look at Link. Someone said Link earlier, and then Popcat as well. Guys, Link is. I mean, I bought Link. I bought Link at like $6, and I didn't take profit, guys. So I bought Link within this level here. I bought it around about here, and now we're coming straight back down to these levels. Yeah, this was at massive range. We traded in here for like 500 days. Yeah, 520 days. But right now it's just looking like we may come back down, retest that level. We have key levels over here, the daily highs over here. We have daily supports just over here. If we have a look at the 4-hour time frame, we're still holding this range, which is fine, which is obviously fine. Yeah, if we can break sub 10, I think we're going to see a huge drop for Link back down to the $8 mark. We're still trading below the 21-day, the 30 minutes looking. Oh, this is why I like lower time frames, because we can get some quick moves. Okay, so the 15. No, there's not much happening. Yeah, I mean, if we can close above here today, we can look for a long back up to 10. So I'll be looking at this. Something back up to here. This would be a good setup. But right now, just not really interested. I think we're going to come lower. But we'll see. If we can just break above this level here, then I'll look for a long. But yeah, until then. Yeah, I think Link is a good one, guys. I mean, I bought Link at $6, like around about 6. My average cost is like 6.1 or something. But yeah, I think Link can definitely go back up to. It will definitely probably break these levels. It looks good. This is just like a retest, pretty much. This was a massive head and shoulders. But But yeah, like lower time frames, potentially looking at a long here, guys. If we can break above this 21-day moving average, we can definitely look for a long back up to these highs. So we'll see. What do you think? My style is to buy the new lows and draining my stakes for Bitcoin to Doge. Yeah. I mean, I do think we're gonna see new lows. Like Bitcoin could definitely dump to like 40K, 41K. I'm looking at potentially if Kamala Harris wins the election, like Bitcoin probably like low 30s. Genuinely, if Trump wins, I honestly think that we're just gonna see a massive pump to like 80K. So it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be very interesting to see what happens. But let's have a look. Chainlink, cool. This is the setup. That's about it. Nothing really showing me something right now, which is a bit annoying. But we can't really just jump into a setup. We have to wait. What other coins, guys? What other coins? We've got Floki. We've got, what else did you guys say? Popcat. Popcat. I mean, Popcat's probably bearish. When did it get listed? Oh, it's bullish there. It's actually pumping quite hard. I think it probably got listed on MACD first. So I mean, Popcat looks good. Like genuinely, like it looks so good. Here we go. Yeah, look at this. Oh, Popcat looks amazing actually. Popcat looks so clean. Yeah, I wouldn't go in Bitcoin now either. Okay, so Popcat, guys, this is looking good. Right now, not really interested though. But have a look at this. This is something that tends to play out, bang, something like that. So I do think that we still have quite a few days here that we're gonna chill. We probably have around about like 19 to 20 days within this level. But honestly, looking quite nice for Popcat. We are still respecting support over here. Bang, this is a key level. We are still respecting this level over here. Let's move this up a little bit here. Yeah, looks kind of good. Looks kind of good. This would have been a great setup if you took the breakout over here. That would have been a beautiful trade. You can see that was clean. That was 60%. That's crazy. If we have a look at the fib from this low to this high, yeah, I mean we're bouncing from the 0.618, so it looks kind of decent. Looks kind of decent. So for me to get in, I'm not really going to get in right now. We are currently at resistance. This is quite a strong level. If you look a little bit left over here, this is quite a strong level. This is where you want to be like taking profits. The ideal zone you want to be buying in at would be around about here, right, for Popcats, back up to like these highs. So yeah, I do think that Popcat looks good though, like on the high time frame as well. But yeah, we still have quite a few more days to like if we can break out of this apex. But I think that if we can just break out, if we can come back down, retest this level over here, like 0.52 again, I'll definitely take a long for Popcat. Yeah, so it looks good. If you guys are watching on YouTube, please can you like the channel? We got 20 people in here, guys. We've got 12 likes. Let's try to get that up to 15 likes. And if you guys are new to the channel, I go live every single day. I do go live every single day, guys. Every single day. Yesterday we took beautiful sells. Okay, so let's have a look. So Popcat looks good, but not really interested right now. Let's have a look at Uni, and then someone says, could you please check as well BGG1 and DI for spot? Pretty low market caps, 100%. I'll check that out. Okay, first of all, we want to check Uni, and then we'll check out BGG1, and then WorldCoin after that. So let's have a look at Uni first. Yeah, uni kind of looking good. So, oh, Floki. Sorry, I just got an alert. Bang. Wait. Okay. Sorry. My bad. Okay, Floki guys, we're gonna take these cells today. I'll let you know when I jump in. Right now, not ready. Yeah, thanks Mario. I appreciate it. You're a legend. You're always here every day. You're an absolute legend. Thank you. I appreciate you. But yeah, guys, Floki. Sorry, I got a fright. Trading view, the alerts are kind of crazy sometimes. But yeah, Floki, we're looking at this cell today. Let's go back to uni. It was just an alert. Okay, uni, not really much happening. So we look at the daily. The daily looks absolutely bullish, though. To be fair, uni looks really strong. We bounce from the support zone over here. If we can start closing tomorrow above this 21 day moving average, I do think that uni could pop up to like 24%, back up to the 200 day. Looks really decent, to be fair, guys. Looks really decent. If we look at this over here, we have some resistance over there. We have, we did create a new low, which is important, right? So basically, this was the trend over here. We did break that trend, which is something to watch out for. If we do bring the fib from the low to the high, yeah, I want to see if we can maybe potentially come up and retest this level here, something like this. If we can test that level, maybe look for some sells back down to this level over here, because technically this did break trend. Okay, so it did break trend. But right now, guys, we've gone over the coins we want to trade today. It's going to be Floki. I think we're going to get this, guys. This is going to be crazy. Bang! It's gonna do well. Yeah, I think. Solana, waiting for Solana to maybe come up a little bit higher here for some sells. Chainlink bars, I don't think bars are on the table right now. Not really interested in that. Yeah, thanks so much. Thanks for watching. I've seen there's a few new people in here today, which is amazing. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Okay, can we check BGG1? BGG1, BGG. Sorry, I don't think it'll be here though. Here. I think we have to look on Dex Screener. Let's have a look. If you guys aren't on the Telegram group, I think most of you guys are. We have a Telegram group. We do share the trades there. Is this the one? I'm pretty sure this is it, right? Ooh. Oh my God, this looks so good. Okay. Oof. I don't like how this looks. Okay. Yeah, I mean, look at this, guys. This coin looks really good. We have levels. So let's look here. So this is our daily resistance over here. We are currently holding some daily support. If we look in the lower time frames, like the 4 hour, let's have a look here. Bang. So this would be the ideal zone to buy in, right? To be fair. So what I would probably do is, it looks kind of good. The market cap's only 5 mil. I'm not really sure what this is though. I'm not really sure what this is. Apes is the best on Dex Screener. I'll have a look at that. Not really sure what this is, but looks really good, to be fair. Like, this market structure looks really clean. Right now we're currently trading above this level right over here, which is obviously a good thing. If we look at the 1 hour, yeah, this was that breakout, right? That was the breakout. I mean, to be fair, this is, guys, I think we could look for like a potential long at this point. Looking to target these highs. I do kind of like this. You can put your stop loss just below this low here. This looks really good. Looks really good. We had a breakout. I like this a lot. The daily time frame looks good. We have accumulation zone at this level. Just remember that. But the lower time frames are suggesting that this could break out. I kind of like this. I kind of like this coin. Looks really good. It looks really good. Looks really good. Okay. Oh, beautiful. We got 15 likes. That's amazing. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Looks like we're getting a little bit more traction on this channel, which is amazing. So BGG, BG1, I think taking longs here is good, guys. But if the market dumps there, we might have to look for a little bit lower prices. So this would be the base level, 0.333. Okay. But potentially this could be a nice little breakout long from the current price. What else do we have? DEA. Sorry, DEAI. I've kind of been lost within the meme coins, and to be fair, I've just been trading normal coins. I don't know. Is this the one? I'm not too sure. Let me know. I don't think it is because you said it was low market caps, and this one's way too high. I think maybe this one. Let me know. I don't think so because this one pretty much got rugged. Oh no, wait. This is. Yeah, I don't know about this coin. If it's this one, I don't know about this. This is looking terrible. To be honest with you, I mean it's like the last level of defense. Yeah, I mean this is pretty much the only level you have to accumulate. This is pretty much the only level you have to accumulate. Like, yeah, not to be honest with you, this is, yeah, I wouldn't really invest in this. Just doesn't look good. There's only, like, if you look at the transactions, like look how slow it is, right? There's not much interest. 9 minutes go, 28 minutes go, 58, 59 minutes go. It's just a little bit of not much, just not much. Yeah, I don't know. I prefer the other one, to be fair. I like the other one, BGG1. This one, not really interested. Someone says, do you want to go over WorldCoin? Yeah, let's have a look. What? Guys, look at WorldCoin. Check out this sell. This was crazy. I mean, this would have been a best sell, right? Look at that. Pretty much almost hit the target. A bear flag. So the weekly time frame looks absolutely terrible. We look at the daily time frame. There's just, I don't know, guys. Like most coins are just getting absolutely smacked. And I want to look at the total 3 market cap and USDT dominance after this because I love looking at those for trading. WorldCoin, I don't know, guys. Not really interested in WorldCoin. It just looks too bad. Yeah, I don't know. Just like look at this. Like, what is this structure? Looks terrible. Looks absolutely terrible. We did come back up to this fair value gap over here, which is something to note. Yeah, I mean that's a level that people will be selling at. Yeah, I think for sells today, it's quite easy to take this. Yeah, I might even take this today. I will let you know though. Make sure you guys join the Telegram. But yeah, sells definitely today. Like this looks terrible. Probably just take sells on the break of this low here. Okay, probably just take sells on the break of this low. So I'll put an alert here for WorldCoin. Bang, WorldCoin sells definitely for the day. Yeah. That's funny. It does, eh? It literally does. It looks like someone just sold all their, like, it just looks rugged, yeah. It looks absolutely just like terrible. That's so funny. We went over Solana, guys. So WorldCoin, we look for sells. I'll tell you if I enter that. We could probably take that step. Solana, we're looking at this for Solana. We are looking for sells at around about 132, a little bit higher up today. We went over this in the beginning. I'm not going to really go over Solana, but I expect Solana to come back down to like 100, even potentially lower. We'll see what happens. What else? Floki. Bang. Floki, need to add a new alert here. Floki looks really good, guys. We'll take that a little bit later today if we can get that. Yeah. Dogecoin. I haven't looked at Dogecoin in so long. Let's have a look at Dogecoin. And then Mars says Bitcoin, just like Nvidia, is too big to keep giving high gains. That's why they invest in silent partners while dipping before they exactly. That's true. Let's look at Dogecoin. Yeah, let's look at Dogecoin. Yeah, what's happening with Doge? Let's have a look here. Oh, Dogecoin is strong. Dogecoin is strong. Last time I looked at Doge, yeah, this was that low. Let's have a look. Oh, this is so strong here, guys. Around about 0.008. That is going to be where I would go full long. Yeah, okay. Right now we are currently at such a strong daily support. Let's have a look at this. I mean, we could look at a potential long today for Dogecoin. I like how this is looking. Dogecoin looking like it wants to just pop. But if we can break below here, this is going to be a huge short. Below here, looking at like a 14% move. But it looks like it's holding. Always expect the worst, guys. That's the thing. Always expect the worst. So Dogecoin still holding support, still holding resistance. For me to go long on Dogecoin, we have these highs over here. We need to start coming back above these 200-day moving averages. Like the thing is, right now I'm quite bearish on the market, right? Please put signals for Doge. Yeah, I will. In the Telegram, I will. Doge is known for long expansion retention before there. Yeah, and also Dogecoin potentially, with X payments with Elon Musk, it's either going to be Dogecoin or it's going to be XRP. So one of those two coins are going to rip. So I'm holding both, to be fair, because if Elon Musk allow payments with Dogecoin, we're going to see a huge rocket, right? And also for XRP. So I've got both coins just because of Elon Musk, to be fair. We won't. I think it will be XRP because XRP has got way more utility. But we all know that Elon Musk loves Dogecoin. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we're not going to get any trades, unfortunately, in this live stream. Unfortunately. What about dogs from Telegram? Dogs. Oh yeah, dogs. I think it probably got smacked. It probably got smacked because of the whole ton thing. Yeah, I mean, check at this. Looks terrible. It looks absolutely terrible. I'm sharing the wrong thing here. Hold on. Yeah. Guys, dogs got absolutely smacked. I was looking at it a long time ago, but like, I think, yeah, it's the whole ton, the ton ecosystem yesterday had a massive price glitch, and I think everything that's on ton is just getting smacked. So I don't know. Oh yeah, let's have a look. Of course. I always look at the heat map. I've just been looking at mostly your coins there. Let's have a look at the book map. Okay, so liquidity. Where's liquidity sitting on the daily? Let's have a look. So liquidity is sitting around about. Oh, there's a lot of. There we go. We're gonna get a short squeeze today or a long squeeze. Okay, so we've got 50, 56, 650. We've got a lot of buy orders sitting at that zone. Yeah, huge buy orders there. There's not much sell orders. Yeah, I think we might get a squeeze to the downside just looking at this, because the sell orders are, there's not much. Yeah, there's no room for like a short squeeze or anything like that. Yeah, so I think if we can break 56, 600, we are most probably going to come back down to like 50, 55, 600. That's the next key level for Bitcoin, of course. Yeah, I think like the market's so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. But it's good for us, right? Because we're looking for shorts. We are looking for shorts for Bitcoin, guys. We are looking for shorts for Bitcoin. We'll see if we can get this there. I don't know if we're going to get our entry though. I hope we can. But I think Floki is going to be the big one. Floki is going to be the big one. Elon Musk will have the fastest mega data center in the world in Memphis, but the production, design, and distribution is still on the table. Okay. Yeah, but think about it. Like, I mean, if Elon Musk adds XRP or Dogecoin to the payment solution for X, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be absolutely crazy. So I'm definitely having some Dogecoin and some XRP. Like it's a no-brainer. I know everyone hates XRP, but I do think that once the lawsuit is finally over, and the SEC doesn't appeal, hopefully they don't appeal, we're going to see a massive pump to like $1. Okay, so Bitcoin, looking at sells over here, we have quite a key level of 57K. We can maybe get that today. But I think I'm going to call it, guys. Join the Telegram group. I know we didn't get any signals, but we've gone over a lot of different charts. And just nothing is really calling for setups right now. I think we're only going to get setups a little bit later. It seems like that is going to be the week, right? I mean, like the amount of times we're going to have to just trade a New York session. Normally during London, we get some volume, but it's been so dry. I might actually think about going live a little bit later, maybe New York session. What do you guys think? Do you guys prefer a little bit later if I do a live stream? Because I don't know, recently the market during this time has just not good. Because I want to be taking trades with you guys, right? So I might do a live maybe a little bit later on. We'll see. Okay. But yeah, I do appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys join the Telegram group. I will share Floki signal, the Solana signal, and the Chainlink signal. Yeah, maybe New York session. I'm also thinking maybe I'll get more people as well. Okay. Cool, guys. I appreciate it. Peace out. Thanks again. Join the groups, right? I will post signals today. Right now, just nothing really happening. Peace out.